Hello!
Hey, I'm Nathan.
Hello! I'm Susan.
Yes. Welcome to season 2 of...
What is it? I don't know what it is.
You're the one who told me what it was.
Oh.
Nature Nowhere.
Oh!
I've done this all my life. Looking around everywhere I go and, well, finding God's creatures. Even in the middle of nowhere. You're watching Nature Nowhere with Nathan Caldwell. Hey, CJ, come on out.
Don't worry.
Hey. Just welcome to season 2, right?
Oh, this is season 2?
Yeah, this is season 2, man.
How many episodes is this been?
I don't know, 7 maybe?
That's a short season.
Well, I mean, we are only open during the summer, dude. Because, you know, I mean, if we find something in the winter, great. But usually, like last summer was all we did. So come on, this is season 2.
Okay. So
you gonna welcome everybody to season 2?
okay. Hi, welcome to season 2.
That is not how you do it. That is not how you do it. Goodness, let me show you how it's done. And welcome to season 2 of Nature Nowhere. As a matter of fact, come with me. I want to show you something. I don't think I've ever featured fungus on the show. Let's catch that. And that. And that. Are you seeing it all? Catch it good. And don't be afraid to get down, you know, in it. Not in it, but...
You're going to get it. Boom, 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 boom. I don't want to get down there.
That's alright, man. One thing about it is you want to get kind of the sides, you know?
Yep.
And let the focus go. Get some pictures for... Where do we go? Project Noah. We are Nature Nowhere. There's some interesting stuff out here, though. These are fungus, but there's got to be different kinds of fungus.
Okay, if I go around there, don't come around with me. Don't.
There's like tons of it, and I'm glad to see it. Don't come around here no more. Why not? No, that's it. Oh, never mind. I ain't gonna come around there because I think I know why. And we are on. Hey, CJ, tell us your favorite thing about nature. What you got?
It's nature.
What about it, though? I mean, what's so good about it?
It's life.
Uh-huh.
If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. It's life.
Impress me.
Dragonfly.
Oh, sorry. I already caught that in an earlier episode.
Oh, no matter. No, I don't care. I don't really care. Watch your step. I'm not going to watch your step, dude.
Now say it.
As you can see, I always have a smile on my face. I don't know why. Even when I'm mad, I have a smile on my face.
Okay, that's scary. You know why I always wear this smile? Oh, wait, no, that's not. Oh, sorry, wrong. Sorry, this is Nature Nowhere, not Dark Night.
Because not Daddy.
Okay. Do I have something? Maybe. Oh, yeah, I definitely have something. Look at that, guys. That is a wasp nest. And that is a pretty doggone good picture. They are red wasps.
Okay,
Don't get scared or anything.
yeah.
That's a fly guard.
A what?
A fighter fly.
A fighter fly?
It's not a wasp.
Oh, dude, can I...
It's not a wasp.
Hold on a minute.
Catch it.
And of course, there it goes. And that's the way it goes here at Nature Nowhere.
Yeah. If we go nowhere to find nature. Actually,
We find nature nowhere. I think that's the problem. But
I don't know how close I am, but that's pretty cool.
go anywhere.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, you gotta stay on the log. I don't think you want to go into the brush.
Well, technically it's not brush, it's just where the log is.
But technically, they can still be a snake.
Okay, star moss. We found that in another place. Oh, gotta go.